Welcome, from the Motorola Razr 5G, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So, to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'm going to use the settings as an example. And from there, all you need to do is simply hold the power key and volume down. You get the sound and animation, and that's basically how you capture a screenshot. Now there's also a scrollable screenshot that you can capture. As you've seen, there was the button for it, and just try to recapture it, and once you tap on it, it will start scrolling, and you stop basically when you want, or once it reaches the end. It just cannot scroll any further. And both of those images are automatically saved into our photo gallery. So if we open it up, as you can see, there is a scrollable one, and then there's the normal one. So that is how we capture a screenshot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.